Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. We are currently testing various cutting modes of our CNC wire blade cutting machine. In this test, we are cutting a cylindrical mold to evaluate the machine's performance on different shaped workpieces. During the process, our client provided valuable feedback regarding the cutting quality. They found two effective ways to reduce surface imperfections on the mold. 1. Adjusting the cutting speed of the wire blade. 2. Changing the diameter of the wire blade. This is because the wire blade experiences greater downward force when entering the material, while the force is lighter during exit. This difference can easily lead to minor imperfections at the entry point. Therefore, optimizing the cutting parameters is essential for improving the overall machining quality. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.